Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to set camera 16.9 aspect ratio as a default setting on iPhone. So you can apply these tips and tricks for all iPhone models. So how to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. So let's start. First of all, you need to enter the camera and I will show you top of the screen arrow. You just simply tap and look at this. Currently my aspect ratio is 4.3 and square and 16.9. I want fix here default setting 16.9 so I can very easily capture the entire screen camera or entire screen photo, and photo size is increasing. So how to do it? This one, if I use like this, is shortcut very easily. Every time you do this one, close the camera, again open. So currently my aspect ratio is at default fix in 16.9. If you are applying this process and your camera is not showing 16.9 as a default setting, so that point of view you need to enter here in the setting and the camera and then preserve setting, and after that you need to enable those setting like a control menu, creative control, depth control and micro control. And after that you should try this process, like again here 60, and I close the camera and again I open here. So look at this. Next time you also receive the same aspect ratio 16.9. So this is a simple tips and tricks. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.